Alrighty, let's get into it, because America's robotics landscape just received a major upgrade. The ARM Institute, also known as Advanced Robotics for Manufacturing, has locked in a 5-year cooperative agreement worth $87.66 million with the US Air Force Research Lab. That's a serious investment in America's technological future. So what's all this about? The ARM Institute will be leading research, development, testing and evaluation of dual-use robotics and automation. In simple terms, technology that benefits both US manufacturing and national defense. With a network of more than 450 partners across industries, universities and government, the ARM Institute is positioned to push robotics capabilities far beyond where it is today. Their mission is direct and ambitious: make robotics, AI and automation accessible to manufacturers of all sizes, strengthening the American workforce, boost the economy and global competitiveness, and reinforce national security. Through this agreement, the Air Force Research Lab will collaborate with ARM partners on project calls exploring areas such as robotic agility, mobile robotics, multi-robot and multi-human teaming, advanced visualization, process modeling and control, scalable manufacturing automation, and robotics suited for Air Force-specific environments. This is the kind of research that shapes the next generation of aerospace, cyber and defense technologies. And here's why this matters to you, even if you're not building aircraft or robots. When the US military invests in technology, it often flows directly into civil life, creating new industries, new jobs, and new tools for businesses. If you want to stay ahead of what's coming next in AI, robotics, and American manufacturing, make sure to subscribe and follow along. The future is being built now, and you'll want to be a part of it. I'm RoboPhil from RoboPhilosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.